I'm looking extra swollen today and just a little bit of a hot mess because last night I did FaceTime with one of my besties and I might have had a little too much wine. This should be a fun review. Hey guys, Maryam here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. In today's video, I am so freaking excited to review Artist Couture's new collection, Supreme Nudes, featuring a brand new nude eyeshadow palette, 6 brand new lipsticks, and some highlighters. In today's video, I'm gonna be applying all of this to my face. I'm gonna be swatching the lipsticks, every single one of them on my lips, and I'm gonna be talking about this collection. You guys may already know me and Mac Daddy Angel, the founder of Artist Couture, are very close friends, but just because we are close friends, he is not immune to my criticism. So as always, expect an honest and truthful Team Truth style review. I think I'm ready to begin this video, you guys. Subscribe if you aren't already, hit that notification bell so you can see all of my Wednesdays and Sundays videos. And now let's get to it. Artist Couture Supreme Nudes collection review. Here we come. Thank God for coffee. All right, so here we have the PR package, nude and beautiful and big and heavy. Here we have the angel himself looking angelic as always and per usual. Love that. Ooh, are those faux freckles? Ooh. Welcome to the Supreme Nudes era. Love that. Here we have all the facts. And last but not least, the products. Dun, 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 dun. 6 brand new silk cream lipsticks, $18 each. 6 diamond glow powders, $27 each. These are not brand new. These are diamond powders that you have seen before from Artist Couture in Gold Digger, Cocoa Bling, Illuminati, yes, Conceited, and Sugar Daddy. And the final thing that I am probably the most excited about in this collection is the Supreme Nudes palette. $40 for this palette. Let me show you what she looks like. First of all, look how sleek, how chic, how gorgeous and elevated this palette looks. I am really, really impressed. The packaging is absolutely stunning. And wow, these colors. I think I'm dressed on theme today. This is so beautiful just at first glance. Obviously, I have not swatched or tried these eyeshadows before, but in my unboxing on my Insta stories, I was so impressed at first glance. Just looking at the colors, looking at how everything is situated within the palette, the packaging. I feel like this is probably the most elevated and the most sophisticated launch from Artist Couture thus far. Angel is a lover of nudes. He wears them so well. He's such a talented makeup artist and he's such a big personality. And I feel like this collection just represents him the most. Gonna get to these swatches in just a second, but look how well thought out everything is. Look at that mirror, you guys. So fresh and so clean. Ooh, I can see deep down into my dark soul. Holy. The names are very cool as well. Exposed, Transcend, Bronziana, Eccentric, Silhouette, Mink, Aesthetic, Nudist, Stripped. Love all that. All right, now I think I'm ready for swatches. Swatch model time. I know you guys missed him. Here he is. All right, I am dipping into Exposed. Exposed is like the color of your skin, but very, very buttery and silky. Next one is Transcend. Beautiful. Here comes Opulence. Because you know Mac Daddy loves Opulence. Ooh, that is very nice. Next up, we have Nudist. Love. Here comes Stripped. Very, very nudie. Here comes Lavish. Oh!
Wow. Emollients is very good.
The emollients. Here comes Bronziana. Love that name. Aesthetic. Yes. Love that. Here comes Silhouette. This is a really nice shade. It's like a sable. Here comes Eccentric. Nice. Ooh.
That's a nice palette.
Really nice palette. Here comes Supreme. Oh my God. It's so beautiful.
Wow, that's really pretty.
I love a nice olive. Oh. And last but not least, here comes Mink. Boom. Thank you, swatch model.
You're welcome.
Okay, I don't know about you guys, but those swatches to me felt very, very clean, very cohesive. I really love the color story. I feel like it's very wearable, also very sophisticated, and definitely universal. So that I love. For $40, I'm really drawn. I'm really drawn. Let's see how these shadows apply onto my face. Let's see how they wear. Let's see how they blend out. All right, so this entire collection is launching on March 20th on artistcouture.com, available on Sephora.com and in Sephora stores on March 27th. Now, we're obviously not able to go to a Sephora store right now, given everything that's going on, but as far as I know, you could still order from Sephora.com. Ooh, also, before I go on, I want to pop up some swatches of the lipsticks. Right here, I just swatched them yesterday on my Insta stories. I thought they were so gorgeous. I'm going to apply each color on my lips at the end of the video. All right, and now I'm ready to create a look. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Fenty Beauty primer as always and per usual. Are you guys tired of me applying this primer in every single video? I'm not. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. So with a nude palette like this one, you can create a multitude of different looks, from everyday and very wearable to something that's more nighttime and a lot more dramatic. I also think that with nudes, you could actually create something that's very graphic, but in a very harmonious color scheme, because all of these colors are very close to a flesh tone, regardless of what skin tone you may be. So think of it as contouring and highlighting your best features on your eyes with eyeshadows. Kind of want to go for an olive smoky today. That's just what I'm feeling. All right, let's do something different. I'm gonna start out with the darkest shade. Oh, cat hair, hello. I'm gonna pick up a different brush. I'm gonna pick up this Sephora Pro Smoky Liner brush, and I'm gonna dip into Mink. I love that this palette is very lightweight, even though it looks very chic and sturdy. I can easily handle it and hold it here. Oh yes. Gonna start out by drawing a wing. Look at that color payoff, you guys. Basically just starting out by smudging this color along my lash line and creating a wing. Woo, so good. Same thing on the other side. Starting off with that wing. My eyes are so little today. Hard for me to keep them open. You know what? It was worth it. I needed that wine time with my bestie. I needed it. Comment down below and let me know how you're practicing social distancing while also staying social. Are you FaceTiming? Are you wine timing? All right, this one's just a little choppier, but that's okay. Not really trying to make this liner super precise. This is basically just the first step. Just trying to keep it nice and dark and fierce, AKA sassy, moody, ratchet. Who's on TikTok? Have you followed me on TikTok yet? I'm gonna take the same color just because I love it so much. I'm gonna add that right here. Again, just smudging, not keeping it very precise at all. Just defining my eye shape. But do you notice how much more awake and how much brighter my eyes look after I did this? It's a trick. Next up, I want some of that Supreme, you guys. I want some of that olive green. Looks so necessary. So I'm gonna pick it up with this No Name smudge brush. I'm gonna start packing that to the center. Oh, so beautiful. That is stunning, you guys. Such a beautiful color. And so richly pigmented too. I had a feeling I was gonna like this one. Basically just packing on that color and keeping within the line. Not really going too far past my natural fold. Only applying a bit more in that outer corner just to open up that outer section. Man, this is good. I'm gonna need a little bit more of that Supreme on my lower lash line. It's just calling for it. Just gonna smudge that right along the lower lash line. So good, so necessary. Okay, next up, I'm gonna take a clean, stiff brush, Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna blend out this edge and get rid of any harshness, like that. Next up, I'm taking Wayne Goss 04 brush. This one is very soft, and I am gonna pick up Eccentric. This one is calling my name. It's just so pretty. I'm gonna start on this eye, and I'm gonna basically blend that at the top part of the shadow, just to give it a bit of a halo. Man, these eyeshadows are so easy to work with. They are listening to my maneuvers. Whew. Feeling rather pleased with myself right now. Look how beautifully that smokes out. I love blending a matte into a shimmer. I feel like it's very easy to make it look clean and professional. Like you don't even actually need too much skill to do that. Just a trick that always works. Who am I? All right, so far I'm really pleased. Do want to add just a little bit more depth to this outer corner. I'm gonna go back with the same Mink shade and just re-emphasize a bit more right here and also right here. I don't know if you can see that, but you could probably feel it. God, this is so freaking clean. I'm really into it. Also gonna pull out that wing just a pinch more, kind of like that, just to give it a little bit more of a sharp edge. That's looking fire. I'm gonna grab this little ColourPop brush, E20. I'm gonna dip into Exposed. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner just a smidge, because when I do that, it actually creates a shadow on my nose, so it makes it look like I have more of a nose bridge. Sometimes Sometimes I like to do that with matte eyeshadows just to create more of a separation here. Also gonna take the same shade, highlight right here, kind of just bring it down. So nice. Guys, I almost feel like my look is close to being complete. I didn't even use too many eyeshadow shades. I only used 4 colors so far, and I'm feeling like I am very close to completion. Just for shits and giggles, gonna dip into Opulence. Gonna use this no-name brush. Gonna spray it with some Fix Plus. I'm gonna paint that onto the center of my lower lash line. I just want that subtle sparkle right here in the center. And because that felt so good to me, I'm gonna do the same thing to the top. Just adding that bit of gildedness, so dimensional. You don't need a lot, but just a little bit makes a difference. It just gives off that nice sparkle, that nice starry-eyed sort of appeal. All right, you guys, mascara time. I'm gonna use this PIXI Lash Booster Mascara that I've been loving a lot. You know what I need? Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Kohl Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in Amber Moon. I need just a little bit of that on my waterline. Difference. Also a little trick for covering up your waterline, especially after a night of drinking wine. The waterline is always, for some reason, something that ends up looking a lot more red. So covering it up with a waterproof pencil in any tone is gonna be better than not covering it up. FYI. Just a bit of brow gel on the wolfies. Lashes time. Gonna go for Iconic Lights by House of Lashes. I don't know if it's my post-wine jitters or if it's my coffee jitters, but bish, I am jittery. I usually have close to a surgeon's hand when I apply my lashes or when I apply my liner, but today it ain't the same. Good thing these are so easy to apply. Love that. Oh yes, feeling it though, feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Oh! I am ready for some of these Supreme Nudes lipsticks. Starting with Angel Baby. This is a beautiful, pale, peachy nude, silk cream finish. I'm gonna darken my lip line just a bit with Pillow Talk 2 in medium. That is gorge. Angel Baby. I actually think this is really pretty. Without a lip liner, definitely a little bit too on the pale side for my complexion, but for someone who's much lighter than I am, I think this would be the perfect nude. And the fact that it has that nice peachy undertone is so flattering. It's gonna pop against a very fair skin tone, and it's just gonna give you a little bit more life and a little bit more oomph. Perfect with a dark smoky eye. Boy Toy is a little bit more pink, but on me it looks a little bit more neutral. I'm gonna use the same Pillow Talk just to fix the outline, darken it a pinch around the edges, and boom, Boy Toy. I would say this is a very wearable nude, not too pale, not too warm, not too cool, just like a very neutral, very everyday, very flattering type of nude that you can wear to work or to a video conference at work. I like this one. Next up, we have Saucy Gal. This might be my favorite color in the collection. Look how stunning it is. Just like the most beautiful, warm, perfect nude for someone who is a medium to tan skin tone. I absolutely love this color. Oh yeah, this is for sure a vibe. I'm gonna use a little bit of MAC Strip Down for my outline with this one. Whew. I would say this is probably the perfect lip color for the eye look that I have on my eyes right now. Saucy Gal is the perfect counterpart to Eccentric Eyeshadow. I feel like they are very close. It's in the same family and it's just working very well together. It makes me feel, I don't know, kind of just like myself, but better in my skin, yet a better version of my skin. You know what I mean? A keeper and a winner. Bit more foundation around the mouth. All right, next up we have Power Play. Ooh. And this I would say is a brownie nude, more on the neutral side as well. Probably something that would be great for someone who's a medium to tan skin tone, but doesn't want to go too warm or too cool. Oh yeah, oh yeah. How gorge is this shade? Similar to Saucy Gal, but just a pinch more darker and deeper, just a little bit more on the neutral tone. I'm gonna use this Milani X Salt and Pepper Understatement Lip Liner in Shoop, just for a little bit more definition, and I think this is glorious. Also looks great with my current eye look, with my hair, with my shirt. Feeling myself. For the darker shades, I always like to start out with a lip liner first. Next up, we have Adore Me, which is sort of a mauve-y nude. I'm gonna use Cork Lip Liner from MAC for this one. Cute. This would be a great color for someone who's of a deeper complexion, who's looking for something a little bit more on the neutral, cool side. This is a gorgeous nude. And last but not least, we have Aphrodisiac. That is a beautiful chocolate color. I'm gonna use the same Cork Lip Liner from MAC. Go for it. This color is Sophistication and Elevation in a Tube. I think this is the perfect nude for someone who's of a deeper complexion, but a little bit more leaning towards the warm side of the spectrum. On me, this just looks like a beautiful warm brown that I would totally wear any day of the week, at any time, at any moment. This is a stunning color that I would say is probably one of my favorites in the collection, just because I haven't really seen this type of color represented before in a lipstick with such a great formulation. Just love how it glides. I love how it makes me feel. I feel like it's brightened up my whole look and it's just like elevated everything all the way up. I love that, and I love that for me. That said, you guys, I think we have made it to the end of the video. Definitely let me know which of these Supreme Nude lip colors is your favorite for you, and also for me, which one do you think looks the best on me? So far, I'm kind of torn between Aphrodisiac and Saucy Gal. That one is like the world's perfect nude. I also really like the first shade that is super, super pale. I think I kind of was able to make it work, and it just was something different. And now for the verdict. Supreme Nudes eyeshadow palette from Artist Couture, Supreme Nudes lipsticks, and this entire collection gets an A+ for me. This is an outstanding collection, and just goes to show you that products made by influencers who are also makeup artists are absolutely supreme and superior. Angel, Mac Daddy, he knows what he's doing. He's been doing it for years, and I feel like he's really perfected his knowledge. He's really chiseled in on what he wants to present to the makeup loving world, and I think he did it. This is a collection that I'm going to keep using, keep reaching for, keep creating looks with. I'm super, super excited for it. And if you guys can get your hands on it, if you are someone who is in need of retail therapy right now, please get your hands on this collection, at least on this palette and on some of these lipsticks, because they are outstanding. That said, we have come to the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Let me know what you want to see next on my channel. Do you want more makeup reviews? Do you want something a little bit more on the personal side? Do you want me to reach for some of my older palettes and create more springtime looks with them? Comment below, let your voice be heard. Remember to subscribe if you aren't already, and check out some of my other videos right here. I love you guys. I will see you in the next one. Mwah.